Hey guys, testing out the new mic. Thanks for tuning in. This is #Zia. It's kind of windy today. It just stopped raining a couple of hours ago. Today is Sunday. What date is it? I can't remember the date. Sunday something. What is it? May 5th. Jeez, it's kind of embarrassing when you don't remember the date. It's been off the last few days, you know how it is. So I had when I went for my the ride to Alabama, I went to the Barber Museum and I had a different mic on. It was a bit of a cheaper mic, but I went with what one vlogger had on YouTube and didn't turn out good. I mean, that video should be posted by now, so have a look. It's the ride to Barber Museum in 2 parts, and the mic just, you know, it was alright. It's just my helmet is kind of airy as well, but still I saw another video and a lot of people raving about this Purple Panda mic, so that's what I have on my AGV helmet at the moment. It is the KS-V3, or I can never remember, it's KS3V, something like that. It's the 5 Continents helmet is what I have from AGV, KS-V3, and it's quite an airy helmet. I mean, even in the reviews it mentioned it was an airy helmet, and I just bought it because it looked cool, matched my bike, and was, you know, on sale at the time for like 240 bucks or something like that. And you know, versus buying something which is showy or awry or anything that is 600-700 bucks. What I really want is the showy helmet, the one that is a modular helmet. I forget what it's called, but Neotech 2, I think, I can't remember. But I digress. Let me get back to the point. I've got the Purple Panda mic installed, and the helmet, it is behind the same position where I had the other cheaper mic installed. It's behind the right, not behind the right cheek pad, but it's somewhere close to being behind the right cheek pad. It's just coming out the front on the top a little bit, so right where the visor meets the helmet. So you know, I hope it sounds better. It's kind of windy today, so it's a good time to test it out, and I hope it sounds better. Let me know what you guys think, if it sounds better than the mic I was using before. I sure hope so. This is going to be a test, and I hope it works, because if it doesn't, then I really don't have a clue. I'll just stick with this if it's even slightly better than the other cheapo mic I had. I don't even remember what name it was, but anyway, it's always fun standing in a traffic light. Red light, there we go, green light. Alright, so like I said, it's windy today. It just stopped raining this few hours ago here in Marietta / Kennesaw area. And in case you don't know, WOW had a nice little you know, what did they have? They had a couple of guys come out and they were doing some stunts on their bikes, so that was cool. So yeah, so it did rain on us a little bit, and it's a bit windy, and you know, I can hear the loud wind in my ears through the helmet. I just hope that this mic is canceling a lot of that wind noise out. And let me go a little faster. Quite windy now, so I left the original I don't know what you call these muffs, the original muff. I'd never cut it. I did not cut it to make it smaller so it could fit inside the helmet. I just left it original with its long fur. So let's hope that that does the trick. Anyways, let me know what you guys think, if this sounds better, if it's clear. It's called the Purple Panda, and if you have a better suggestion also let me know in the comments below. I appreciate you spending a few minutes with me to test out the mic, and let me know if you have any questions. Hit the like button and hit subscribe for more videos. Most appreciated. Until next time, be safe.